Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. Good to see you again.
Today, we have a beautiful topic, a topic that helps you in life and helps your English, too.
Yes, today we are talking about feelings, emotions, how you feel inside.
Talking about feelings in English is very important because feelings connect people.
Yes, when you can talk about your emotions, you understand yourself and others much better.
And don't worry, we will go slow, step by step. Very easy English.
Simple words, simple sentences, and a nice, calm learning time together.
Before we begin, remember to subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this lesson if you want more soft, slow English like this.
And share this with someone who is learning English too. So, Thomas, how do you feel today?
Today I feel calm, peaceful, and a little excited.
Excited? Why excited?
Because we are talking about feelings, and I love emotional vocabulary.
You sound very sweet. I feel happy today too. Happy and a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Did you stay up late again?
Yes. I watched a movie last night. Maybe too late.
Movie feelings. Happy, cozy, and tired next morning.
So, friends, today we will learn many feeling words like happy, sad, tired, calm, nervous, excited.
And we will use them in real sentences. Natural English.
That's right. Let's start with happy feelings. I feel happy when I talk to my family.
I feel happy when I eat good food.
I feel happy when I finish my tasks.
I feel happy when I learn something new.
You see, simple. I feel happy when, and finish the idea.
Yes, very easy pattern.
Now, let's try excited. I feel excited when I travel to a new place.
I feel excited when I try new food.
I feel excited when I watch my favorite show.
I feel excited when someone gives me pizza.
How Thomas and pizza feelings. Very strong love. What about relaxed? I feel relaxed when I drink tea.
I feel relaxed when I listen to soft music.
I feel relaxed when I sit outside in nature.
I feel relaxed when I finish my work early.
Calm is also a lovely feeling. I feel calm in the morning.
I feel calm after meditation.
I feel calm when the weather is soft and nice.
I feel calm when I read a book.
Now we practice tired. I feel tired after a long day.
I feel tired when I don't sleep enough.
I feel tired after thinking too much.
I feel tired after cleaning my house.
And sleepy. I feel sleepy right now. Just a little.
I feel sleepy after lunch.
I feel sleepy when the weather is rainy.
I feel sleepy when I relax too much on the sofa.
Very natural sentences. Now, let's talk about sad feelings too, because it's okay. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
Yes, sadness is normal. Not bad, just human.
I feel sad when I miss someone.
I feel sad when I hear bad news.
I feel sad when plans change.
I feel sad when a good show ends. Small sadness.
Angry. I feel angry when someone is rude.
I feel angry when I lose something important.
I feel angry when plans go wrong.
I feel angry when someone eats my pizza.
Yes, that is a big emotion for you. Worried. I feel worried before an important test.
I feel worried when someone I love is sick.
I feel worried when I don't understand something.
I feel worried when my phone battery is at 1%.
Very serious problem. Nervous. I feel nervous before speaking in public.
I feel nervous before interviews.
I feel nervous when I try something new.
I feel nervous when I wait for results.
Let's talk about proud. I feel proud when I complete a goal.
I feel proud when I learn new English words.
I feel proud when I help someone.
I feel proud when I improve little by little.
Confident. I feel confident when I practice often.
I feel confident when I speak clearly.
I feel confident when I prepare well.
I feel confident when I believe in myself.
Grateful. I feel grateful for my family.
I feel grateful for my home.
I feel grateful for small, happy moments.
I feel grateful for good food and pizza.
Yes, we know. Now, friends, repeat in your mind softly. I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel safe. I feel relaxed. I feel strong. I feel proud. I feel hopeful. I feel enough. I feel grateful. I feel okay. I feel improving every day.
Your English is growing right now.
Yes, and also your emotional vocabulary. Now, imagine morning time. You wake up, stretch, and think, today I feel calm. Today I feel ready. Today I feel positive.
And if you feel tired, that's okay too. You can say, today I feel tired, but I will do my best. Today I feel slow, but I'm here. I'm learning.
Yes, be gentle with yourself. Your feelings are valid.
Let's ask questions now. How do you feel today? Do you feel happy? Do you feel nervous? Do you feel relaxed? Do you feel tired? Do you feel excited?
When someone asks, how do you feel? You can answer, I feel good. I feel great. I feel okay. I feel a little tired. I feel a little nervous. I feel very happy today.
Beautiful, natural answers.
Think about yesterday. How did you feel yesterday? Did you feel tired? Did you feel happy? Did you feel stressed? Did you feel relaxed?
Try to answer in English in your mind now. Now, think about tomorrow. How do you want to feel tomorrow? Do you want to feel peaceful? Do you want to feel strong? Do you want to feel confident?
You can say, tomorrow I want to feel calm. Tomorrow I want to feel happy. Tomorrow I want to feel motivated.
Good intentions bring good emotions.
Now, Thomas, how do you feel when you finish a task?
I feel proud and relaxed.
How do you feel when you hear good news?
Ooh, I feel excited and happy.
How do you feel when it rains?
Peaceful, a little sleepy.
How do you feel when someone gives you chocolate?
I feel love, all emotions.
Friends, practice like this at home. Ask yourself questions and answer in English. It's powerful practice.
Let's finish with positive emotional affirmations slowly. I allow myself to feel. I understand my emotions. I am learning every day. I feel grateful for my life. I feel peaceful right now. I accept myself. I am proud of my progress. I can express my feelings in English. I feel strong inside. I feel hope for my future. I feel calm and ready for the day.
That feels very good.
Yes, emotional English feels warm, soft, and real.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We loved this lesson with you, truly.
Tell us in the comments, how do you feel right now?
We want to read your real emotions.
Keep practicing English.
Keep taking care of your feelings.
And see you next time.